Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks payments for invoicing and recurring revenue, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select the Sales tab. Once in the Sales section, click on Payments at the top. If you don't see the Payments option, check if your QuickBooks subscription includes payment processing. Once in the Payments section, look for the Set Up Payments button. Click the Set Up Payments button to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your business information, such as your business name, address, and contact details. Fill out the required fields accurately. Next, provide your banking information for direct deposit of funds. This typically requires your bank account number and routing number. After entering your banking details, review the terms and conditions. You will need to agree to these terms in order to proceed. Submit your information by clicking the Submit button at the bottom of the page. QuickBooks will review your application, which may take a few minutes. Once your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation email. After approval, return to the QuickBooks Payments page. Now you can enable payments on your invoices. To do this, go to the Invoice section under Sales. Open an existing invoice or create a new one. Look for the option that states Accept credit cards and toggle it on. You can also enable Accept ACH bank transfer if desired. Make sure to save the invoice to apply these changes. For recurring invoices, go to the Recurring Transactions menu under Sales. Click on New and select Invoice. Fill in the necessary details for the recurring invoice. Ensure that you also enable the payment options for credit cards and ACH. Save your recurring invoice setup. Your QuickBooks payments are now active for both invoicing and recurring revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.